Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install gutters and downspouts yourself. I already installed many gutters and downspouts around our house. If you wanna learn how to do it, just keep watching this video. This is a place where I'm gonna be installing a gutter and a downspout today. We have heavy rains here in Florida, and when it rains, a really strong flow of rainwater makes this hole bigger every single time. Also, it is partially destroying a garden bed, and because my wife just planted some vegetables today, I need to install a gutter and a downspout ASAP. Here are some parts and tools I already prepared to start this installation. Use a measuring tape to determine the length of the gutter. Mark the point to be cut on the gutter. Use tin snips to start cutting a gutter. Then cut the rest of the gutter to size using a hacksaw. This is where I just cut my gutter. Now I'm gonna be installing end caps. The end cap can be left or right. Hold the end cap in place and drill a hole for your rivet. Then insert a rivet and secure it with a rivet tool. I don't like to use screws when I install gutters and downspouts. I prefer to use rivets because, in my opinion, the final result looks more professional. Use a high-quality gutter sealant to seal the end cap seam on the inside of the gutter. Using a measuring tape, determine the location of your downspout. Use a downspout outlet to mark a location of your downspout. Drill a hole for your downspout outlet. To cut a hole to the size, I'm using oscillating multi-tool blade. If downspout outlet still doesn't fit, using pliers, bend down the edges of the hole. Using rivets, attach downspout outlet to the gutter. Seal it with gutter sealant. Install gutter hidden hangers at least every 3 feet for proper support. I also like to screw a gutter hanger to the gutter, so when I install gutter, I'm not gonna lose gutter hangers. Now I can start installing a gutter. My fascia board is level, and I can use it as a reference for sloping the gutter. A little slope is all you need. When the gutter is installed, now you can start assembling the downspout. Assemble the elbows and downspout tube with the crimp ends facing down to prevent water from leaking out of the joints. Secure joints with rivets. Start measuring the length of your downspout. Use a hacksaw to cut a downspout. Assemble the downspout. I do not attach the parts of the downspout with rivets because I want to make sure that everything was assembled correctly. And now, when I know that everything was assembled correctly, I can move on and connect the parts of the downspout with rivets. Before attaching a downspout to the gutter, apply the gutter sealant around a gutter outlet. Make 2 marks on the wall to install downspout brackets. Using plastic anchors and screws, attach a downspout bracket to the wall. Now it is time to attach a downspout to the downspout brackets. Using rivets, attach the downspout to the downspout outlet. Seal joint with gutter sealant. When sealant dried, now you can spray touch-up paint. And this is it. Let me know what you think about this project in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.